Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Geek. Asus has just launched the much awaited ROG Phone 3 today, which is a gaming smartphone. And today in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you our first impression. So before we start our today's video, here is a quick word from our sponsor Dashlane. Dashlane is a password manager which safely store your passwords. You can save and organize your passwords in vaults, which you can protect with your fingerprint or PIN. And the app is super secure and your data is fully encrypted. Using the app is really easy and you can manually add the password in the app itself. Or whenever you're on the login page of any website, you will see this Dashlane bubble. And from here, you can add the account. You can also import your passwords which are already saved in your browser such as Google Chrome, etc. With Dashlane, they autofill your passwords and financial info. So you don't have to waste time filling out forms and resetting passwords. Plus it works on all the devices anywhere. So make your life way easier and try Dashlane. Our viewers can get it for free on their first device by heading to dashlane.com/gadgetgeek. They also provide a VPN so you can browse without being tracked and access content that would otherwise be blocked. And apart from Android, the service is also available cross-platform, such as you have Google Chrome extension, iOS app and Windows application. Overall, if you keep on forgetting your passwords, then definitely try out Dashlane. And as mentioned earlier, you can try by going to dashlane.com/gadgetgeek. And if you would like to use it on more than one device, then use my promo code GadgetGeek. So without any further ado, let's start the unboxing of the Asus ROG Phone 3. In the front of the box we have the Asus ROG Phone 3 branding with the ROG logo. On the side of the box we have the ROG Phone 3 branding again, and here they have mentioned ROG aerodynamic system which they use for cooling. And on this side of the box we have the Republic of Gamer design. And guys, there is something interesting about this logo which I will show you later in this video. At the back of the box we have the specifications, and the one we have here is the 8GB RAM and the 128GB storage. Apart from that, this phone is also available in 12GB RAM and 256GB storage variant. Now let's open the box and see the content. So first we get this box which has a SIM removal pin, ROG stickers, warranty card, and you also get this ROG case like the last year, and I'm happy to see this case included in the package. And then here we have the phone itself. Let's remove the protective film. And guys, my first impression about this phone is that it feels well built and you get this similar look and feel like the last two variants. We will look at it in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So here we have a 30-watt charger which supports Quick Charge 4.0. And then here we have the Type-C cable. You also get this USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter, which means there is no headphone jack in the phone. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the phone closely. ROG Phone 3 is a gaming phone, and looking at it for the first time, you have the similar aesthetic which is there in the ROG Phone 2 and the original ROG phone. But there are a lot of improvements and under the hood changes we have in this phone. Starting with the design, at the back now we have a triple camera system, and here we get the primary 64MP camera with Sony IMX686 sensor with the f1.8 aperture. The secondary camera is a 13MP and you get the 125 degrees ultra wide angle sensor which has the aperture of f2.4. And the third is a 5MP macro camera. Below the camera setup, we have the illuminated ROG logo which gives this smartphone a unique and a cool look. Now looking at the design changes more, in the ROG Phone 3, we have a 3rd generation game cool system which features 6 times larger heatsink and a redesigned copper 3D vapor chamber. So this will spread the heat over a bigger surface, resulting in lower and more stable temperatures during those intense gaming sessions. The back of the phone is protected with the Gorilla Glass 3, and overall I find this design of this phone pretty good, though following the same format as its predecessors, but there are a lot of under the hood changes. Now talking about the front, here we have few more changes. First is the screen. This time we get the 6.59 inches 144Hz AMOLED display which comes with the 10-bit HDR10 Plus support. The other features of this display is low 25ms touch latency along with the 270Hz touch sampling rate. The front of the phone is protected with the Gorilla Glass 6. And guys, you don't get the full screen front with the punch holes or notches in this phone, but as it's a gaming phone, and here you need a better grip and a better sound system. And that's what this phone is all about. Talking more about the speakers, you have two front-firing speakers which is perfect for gaming as well as watching videos. Now about the front camera, here we have a 24 megapixel front shooter with the aperture of f2.0. Now in terms of the ports and buttons, on the right side we have the air triggers which are better and improved this year, and I will show you more about them when we turn on the phone. Then next to it we have the volume rocker along with the power button, and you also have one of the mic here which is 4 in total in this phone. Now looking at the left side of the phone, we have the dual SIM tray which supports 5G, and then next to it we have the bottom dual USB Type-C port, and here you can connect the charger while playing games or use it for the ROG Phone compatible accessories. And guys, this phone will support the previously launched ROG Phone 2 accessories along with the upgraded accessories such as the ROG Kunai 3 controllers, ROG Gaming Clip to attach the phone with the Xbox and Stadia controller, Lightning Armor Case 3, TwinView Dock 3 and the professional and the mobile desktop dock. Now coming back to the overview of the phone, at the bottom of the phone we have the USB Type-C port, and sadly there is no headphone jack in this phone. Now let's turn on the phone for the first time. Meanwhile we are setting up the phone, here are some more technical details. So the ROG Phone 3 comes with the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, which is a 3.1 GHz octa-core processor with 5G support. Android 10 with the ROG UI, 8GB and 12GB LPDDR5 memory, UFS 3.1, 128GB and 256GB storage variant, in-display fingerprint sensor, 6000 mAh massive battery, and the weight of the phone is 240 grams. So the phone is set up, and the first thing we will do is set the phone to 144Hz refresh rate. And guys, I'm using the OnePlus 7 Pro as my daily driver, which has the 90Hz display. And believe me, I can definitely feel the difference. It's really smooth and the touch is amazing. I also find the oleophobic coating on this phone pretty good, and this will be helpful while gaming. Now about the other features, you get the Android 10 in this, and at the time of setup, you can select the ROG UI or the stock Android UI. The phone is bloatware free, and you will see only Netflix, Facebook and Instagram pre-installed. Now let me show you the most important and the main part, which is the gaming features. So here we have the Armory Crate, and it's basically the main app which you would need to use to control the gaming aspect of this phone. Now when you open the app for the first time, it will ask you to join the ROG community, and here it will ask you to scan the totem on the box, and once you do that, you will see this cool AR effect which looks pretty awesome. Now coming back to the Armory Crate app, here you can customize the performance of the CPU and create different gaming profiles as per your requirement. You can also customize the air triggers as well as the lighting scheme of the logo at the back of the phone. Now about the air triggers, this time you get the multiple functionality with them. So instead of just tap, you can also customize them such as dual button, swipe and slide gestures, which is really amazing. And during our testing, I was really happy with the air triggers performance, and I find these new features pretty good. I have played few games with them, and believe me, I'm really happy with the initial impression and the performance of the air triggers on this phone. Now coming back to more gaming features, you have the same X mode feature where you squeeze the phone to enable the X mode, and you have this animation on the wallpaper, and this will give you an extra boost while gaming. And guys, about the performance, I can say that it's pretty good, and we will be doing a detailed review of this phone which will include the gaming review and the benchmarks very soon. So stay tuned for that. Now in terms of the screen performance, I find it pretty good. The 144Hz screen is amazing. There are few games at the moment which supports the 144Hz screen, but you will be able to see the supported 144Hz as well as the 120Hz games in the Armory Crate. The speakers in the front is mind-blowing. They are loud yet offers good quality sound. You will be surprised to hear the bass coming out of these speakers. And lastly about the camera performance, the camera on this phone performs good. I haven't tested them properly, but my initial impression is pretty good. So overall Asus ROG Phone 3 is an amazing looking gaming phone which offers unique design, and most importantly, it's specifically built for gamers. The phone is packed with the top of the line specification, be it the 865 Plus processor, which is first in any phone. You get the 144Hz AMOLED display and the gaming specific air triggers and dual front firing loudspeakers. You're getting a massive 6000 mAh battery in this phone, which will ensure uninterrupted gaming. Now it all depends upon the pricing. If Asus prices phone aggressively and plays this phone with a starting range of 45 to 50,000 rupees, then according to us, the ROG Phone 3 will be the best gaming phone of this year. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Asus ROG Phone 3. Let us know if you like this phone, and also do tell us your favorite feature of this phone in the comment section below. And guys, stay tuned for our detailed review of this phone, which will be publishing very soon. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.